Ladies and gentlemen, underhooks are a pain, all right? Can you just elaborate here, sir? Thank you. So I got the side control. I fought really hard for this. I'm tired. I want to crush him. But he sneaks that underhook right there. So first thing I do, I walk my hands away and tiptoe my foot with my knee pointed out. Stay strong. Now there are two things that can happen here. Either he's going to come on top or stay strong, or as I keep moving my head away, I overpower him with the weight, okay? And I squeeze it, the knees against his body. Don't come to me. Don't come. And it doesn't matter if he doesn't want to come up. Please don't come, okay? Flex your body. I go with my heel behind his head, and I pull him whether he likes it or not. And here right now, I'm putting my knee out. I'm sitting out. I want the heel to go on the elbow. So here, heel on the elbow, punch the ground, get your butt back, and finish the job.